So what is the future for machine learning here at AgroCares? Well, our current machine learning models already provide fast and accurate predictions for soil and feed. But we think we can do even better. We're investigating a technique called deep learning, which is something used in companies such as Google and Microsoft. What deep learning is it's a type of machine learning that acts sort of like a human brain over here. So what we have are a series of what we call neurons, all connected to one another, where we have some input coming in, passes through the neurons, and then produces an output. For example, we could have the input as this image of what we know to be a plant, and the output predicts, is this a plant or not? So what it does is, the input comes in and it takes a look, and at each layer, we have different features getting more and more complex. So in the first layer, what it'll see is, well, there's sort of some circly images and kind of a straight line. That doesn't tell me much. But maybe at the next layer, we take some of those circly images and see that there's some straight lines in there, and it thinks, oh, this is probably a leaf. And then maybe at this next layer, it's going, well, there's a lot of leaves next to each other on a straight line. I think this is a plant. And then at the final decision point, it says, yes, this is a plant. We want to take this same technique, but use it for spectral data. So put spectral data in and try and predict soil quality parameters. We've done some early experiments for this, and it's already shown very promising results. And we're very excited to see where this can take us. This will be my last machine learning talk. I hope you've enjoyed it.